In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook status so people can share 5 minutes. If you've ever posted something great on Facebook and noticed people couldn't share it, the fix is simple. It all comes down to the audience setting you choose before you publish. I'll walk you through the exact flow so your post is shareable beyond your immediate friends. First, go to facebook.com and head to your home feed. Once you're there, look for the box at the top that says "What's on your mind?" Click that to start a new status. This opens the post composer where you can write your update, paste a link, or add photos or videos. As you write, keep in mind that anything set to public can be seen and shared by anyone, so avoid including private details. If you're sharing a link, a short, clear caption helps people understand what they're sharing at a glance. Next, before you publish, find the audience selector. This is the small button directly beneath your name in the composer. It usually shows your current default like friends, public, or a custom list, and may display an icon such as two silhouettes, a globe, or a gear. On mobile, it's in the same area under your name. Click the audience selector to open the menu. From the list of options, choose public. This setting places a small globe icon on the post and signals that anyone on or off Facebook can see and share it. If you leave it on friends, your friends may see the post, but the share button may be limited or missing for people who aren't in your audience. Choosing public is the key step that unlocks sharing across Facebook. After selecting public, click done to confirm the change. This locks the audience for this specific post without changing the privacy of your other posts unless you've chosen to update your default separately. A quick glance under your name should now show public. Finally, click post to publish. Once it's live, viewers should see the share button beneath your post. If you ever need to adjust who can see it later, you can return to the post and update the audience setting, but setting it to public before you publish is the most reliable way to make sharing available right away. That's all you need to do. Write your status, set the audience to public, confirm with done, and post. With that, your content is ready to be shared widely.